welcome back to Oversplode Garage Home Edition, as my wife calls it. But actually, this is just a shout out real quick to all the mothers. I just want to tell everybody Happy Mother's Day, especially to my lovely wife, Monica. Also want to say Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Denise, and my other mom, Robbie. Love you guys. Hope you guys like this video. This is a little bit, I've done this a little bit differently. It's kind of funny. There's just some little funny parts in it. It just kind of shows what the Dudney family kind of goes through on a daily basis here. Things aren't always all calm. It's a little funny sometimes in here. We like to keep it lighthearted. So hope you all enjoy the video, and we'll talk to y'all later. Happy Mother's Day. All right, so we already have this in here. We used some wood filler to fill our crack a little bit right here and to smooth out the end to make the crack disappear. Cut an area in the back there to where our wires and stuff can feed down to our surge protector that is going to be underneath this thing. Went ahead and removed the TV. We're going to leave this mounted to the wall. This TV telescopes, this mount telescopes out about a foot, I believe it is. So we're just going to leave this mounted to the wall, and we're going to telescope that out. And then we have, probably can't see from over there, but I've marked where the studs are on the wall. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, Lincoln, hop up, buddy, hop up. So I'm going to cut these to run across to screw into the studs, and then that way our frame for the fireplace, we can screw it straight into this, and I don't have to worry about hitting studs. Because there won't be any studs right here where we're going to have the side of it. So that's what we're going to use this for. So I'm going to get these cut and get them put up. I'm going to do one probably right around here. There's one here, and then I'm going to do one at the top. So 3 should be plenty. So, all right.
From the wall, so we're going to build our frame about 9.5 inches, and then the shiplap will add about 1/2 inch.
so now we got the side supports up, side frame up. We're gonna build a frame around the insert. So just basically gonna just free for all on this, just to frame it up. So, all right, here we go. So our mantle is going to be, middle of our mantle is going to be about 40 inches. That's what Monica wants. So I'm going to put a little bit bigger board here, just so we have something a little bit more sturdy to screw to.
Are you going to be doing that?
I'm working, girl.
Well, they're not going to hear me if you're making noise.
All right. All right, go ahead. I'll stop.
So we decided to leave our TV mount on the wall. It extends really far. It's a really awesome, strong mount. And so, really?
Now you can talk. Go ahead. I won't do it again.
Okay, I'm going to start over.
Don't start over. I'm leaving all that in
No,
there.
you're not.
Yeah, because you're cute.
So now Adam is working on a little shelf to hold our remotes and the power box for our sound bar. It's just going to kind of be hidden back there behind the TV.
That's the frame. Alright, so we already got a piece of shiplap up. Forgot to record, so we're going to go ahead and hit record. And we're going to start working down the wall. Get this looking great. Alright, so we went ahead real quickly and made a little stand for our surge protector. Just makes all the plugs fit better in there. If we need to access it, we'll just slide the fireplace out and I can access it from underneath. And then we'll work on the sides.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
He's finally finished with the front. It's so pretty.
to the other side. You saw one side, I'm not going to record the other side. So we'll pick back up on the video when I put the trim up.